Gotta take the cover off. Oh.
Hey, you want to take a quick break, okay? Okay.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for 3 weeks.
Cool.
In 2 weeks, I'm going to be doing an internship
Where?
in.
Oregon Fish and Wildlife.
How did you guys do this?
We've been working on it.
It's been a while.
Ooh, it's so good to see you.
You too.
Golly, what a surprise. Look at this.
Everybody's coming.
All of my favorite guys are here.
Yeah. This was a family conspiracy.
It was.
Do you guys remember Mateos? From last?
That's what they said. Ty saw he was on the boat.
Cool. Whoa, what a shock.
So you're gonna take the truck
Hey, boys.
and him and go over to your mom's, and I'm gonna take your car to Les Schwab's and leave it. Nathan's gonna